RBI allows offline digital payments, that is, framework for facilitating small value digital payments in offline mode. What is an offline digital payments? It means a transaction which does not require any active internet connections or telecom connectivity. The objective of this offline digital payments is to give a push to the digital transactions in semi-urban and rural areas. As we all know, there is a large section of the people who do not have access to internet facility, and also there are people who do not have smartphone to make a digital payments using UPI, etc. In those cases, offline payments can act as an opportunity for adoption of digital payments, and also it will give a push to government intention of promoting digital transactions. Looking into the background of this initiative, Reserve Bank of India in August 2020 proposed that it would allow a pilot scheme for small value payments in offline mode. After its proposal, 3 pilot projects were successfully conducted under the scheme in different parts of the country during the period from September 2020 to June 2021, involving small value transactions. Based on the experience gained from the pilots and also encouraging feedbacks, it is proposed to introduce a framework for carrying out retail digital payments in offline mode across the country. I think now everyone is clear about the objective and the background of this framework or initiatives. Let's move into the features of the offline digital payment. What is the transaction limits of these offline digital payments? It is 200 rupees per transaction and an overall limit of 2000 rupees for all transactions. Balance replenishment can only occur in an offline mode. It means balance in account can be replenished or refilled only through the online mode. The other features are the transaction would not require any additional factor of authentications like OTP. This offline mode of payment can be enabled only after obtaining specific consent of the customers. Since the transactions are offline, alerts are by the way of SMS or email will be received by the customer. Under this new framework, such payments can be carried out face-to-face, that is proximity mode, using any channel or instruments like cards, wallets, mobile device, etc. That is, the payment can be done only face-to-face. One cannot do a payment who is residing in other places. If there is any grievances, the customer shall have a recourse to the Reserve Bank Internal Ombudsman Scheme for redressal. This directive is issued under Section 10 of 2 read with Section 18 of Payment and Settlement System Act 2007 and shall come into effect immediately. Upon the implementation of the offline digital payments, it's for sure will give a push to the digital transaction in rural areas. That's all. Thank you.